I bequeath my soul unto you, for in truth you were always its possessor. Although earthly beauty fades, ever will I see you with the same eyes, for that ethereal quality that brings us beauty to life is not on the surface, it is deep within us. In my heart you will always be young. Thank you.